Hey everybody, Warren here with the Edifice Venture, giving you an update on our living room project. We have gotten a lot done since I talked to you last. I'm going to give you a quick tour here. One of the things that we need to finish is this weird area right here. And we've decided we're going to turn this into a fireplace. I'm going to take a electric fireplace that we have in this hutch. I'm going to take that apart, take the insert out. I'll be putting it in here in this spot. We'll have a hearth, a mantle, and then I'll have stone that wraps all the way around this thing here. And I think it's going to make it look really, really good. This piece of furniture is the actual first real piece of furniture that we have bought for the living room. The last time that Guinevere was home, we went to a store called Birds Gotta Fly. They have really nice furniture and a lot of things to help decorate the living room. So the first thing we noticed was this hutch. And the reason we bought this is because it has the same paint in our floor. And we thought, wow, that just pulls everything together. Also, when we were there, we found these metal baskets, and Guinevere had the idea, why don't we get a basket, instead of folding up all the blankets and laying over the back of the couch, we started putting the blankets into this basket, which really helps organize the space really well. We found some stuff at my dad's house, an old marble game that I had when I was a kid. The cat loves the marble game. For the curtains we bought, I could have made this, but I did not make this. It's a pipe looking curtain rod. I really like it. And then we got put two of them together to make one rod to go across two windows, actually saving us a little bit of money. We were able to take one of those curtain rods back. The walls are painted, the trim is up. Made all the trim myself out of 1x8, about 3 inches wide. And then on the headers of the window and the doors, I stacked wood on top of that to give it a kind of an antique-ish feel. We really like the living room. We've been spending a lot of time in here. It's comfy, it's cozy. Isn't that right, Penny?
Yeah, a little too comfortable. I've actually been working down here more than in my office.
So there's an update for you on our living room project. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us, and check out our YouTube channel at W Seegers2, or you can do a keyword search for the Edifice Venture. Until next time, DIY until you die.